Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make instant appam with yeast. This is a very delicious recipe with no compromise in the regular taste of the appams. It's very easy to make, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixer jar, add 1 cup of rice flour, a cup of steamed rice, you can use leftover rice, a tablespoon of coconut, a teaspoon of dry yeast and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Grind this well. Then to this add 1 cup of water and grind this to a very fine paste. Now it's well blended and ready. Transfer it to a bowl. Close it with a lid and let this rest for 5 minutes. Now our instant appam batter is ready. Let's now go and make the appams. Heat an appam pan and pour in a ladle full of appam batter. Spread it like this. Close it with a lid and let this cook for 15 seconds. It's been 15 seconds, so let's now open and check. Our appams are perfectly done, so let's now remove it. Now our delicious and soft appam is ready. You can serve it either with coconut milk and sugar or with some chicken or egg masala. Very easy, delicious and a healthy breakfast recipe. So do try this instant appam recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you liked this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.